Hello everyone, you're on the GT Cars channel, and today I got this big package from, as you can see, Japan symbols. So it's from Japan, especially from Tokyo, but I don't think I can show that. Or I can show. Yeah, I can show. So it's from Tokyo, EMS, Japan Post. So we'll open it and see what's inside. Should be a lot of Hot Wheels, premium cars. And also 2 packs and single ones. We'll cut it here. Package is big, but don't be a lot of items, so I don't know why it's so big package. Paper with what inside, and let's open it up. Let's open it up. So we'll take it all this paper and find our Hot Wheels. Oh, and now we can see our first Hot Wheels. Nice. So let's start with this one. This one is Hot Wheels Premium Super Set by Motor Stand. Car Culture. 2 cars. One is 91 Nissan Sentra CR, Nissan Silvia S13. Great cars. Gray and green. Cool combo. In this set we also have Bugatti Veyron, Bugatti Chiron and Subarus. And I have them there. Okay, let's take the other one. Next one. 2 Bugattis. Bugatti Veyron in black and Bugatti Chiron 2016 in gray black color. I don't have a lot of Bugattis in my collection, so I will add them up to my collection. Nice. Next one. Next one is also Bugatti pack. Oh, nothing interesting. Looks like some paper. And everything already falling out. And this one is Hot Wheels Premium Fast and Furious. Nissan Skyline GTR R32. Nice Skyline. I like each Skyline. It has all the details on the back, on the front. Very nice. So, because it's very nice, I took 3 of them. Let's go next one. And next one is Subaru 2-pack. Subaru Impreza VRX, WRX in grey color with gold wheels, and Subaru WRX STI 2016 in blue color with also gold wheels. So I have now a full set, all 3 2-packs. Will sit in my collection very perfectly. So there are more 2 packs, 2 more Subaru packs, and 1 more Bugatti pack. So one moment. So this is everything we got from this package to adding to my collection. This Subaru pack is very nice, I really like it. So also Bugatti Veyron pack, so Bugatti and Chiron, and also this one small black thing, Nissan Skyline. So thank you for watching, see you soon in new video, bye bye.